Need to grab a database dump in Lagoon? The Lagoon UI makes this easy. Log into the Lagoon UI. If you need help, contact your Lagoon administrator. From your project's dashboard, select the environment you want to back up. I'm going to back up the develop environment. In the left-hand menu, click on Tasks. On the right, you should now see this drop-down that says Select a Task. Click on it, and then select Generate Database Backup. You should now see this button that says Add Task. Click it. It should now say Task Added. Refresh the page, and you will now see an active Drush SQL dump task. Wait a few moments. If you have notifications set up for your environment, you should be notified when it's complete. Once the status of the task reads Succeeded, go ahead and click on the task. Now, on the right, under Files, you'll see a link to your database dump. That's it. Download and enjoy your database dump.
For more details, see our documentation.